Hello everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. Today we have got a 1961 Corvair Rampside Truck. As you can see, this casting is by Matchbox and it's part of their moving parts line. So let's open it up and see how does it look. Oh, by the way, it was a new casting for 2024. So let's open it up, and while I do that, if you haven't subscribed yet, go click subscribe. So here is the Corvair truck out of its box, and I must say it looks good. So let's start from the front. I do like the paint job, looks really good. So up front you've got some good details. You got detailed headlamp, you got the detailed grille, you got the number plate with Chevy logo on it. Now coming to the driver's side, again you got some nice wheels like you may have seen in like some older Matchbox, like not older, like the Matchbox of the old, like which shows cars from 70s and 80s. So these look good, especially on this truck. Looks like hubcaps. Again, detailed door handle. You got the Corvair badge on the side. You got the fuel filler cap on this side. And I'm not sure if Corvairs were rear engined, but might be. You can see vents here. It's a nice truck, nice little truck. Good paint job. I like the paint job on this one. Coming to the back, chrome bumper, but I don't see any tail lamps. I don't know why. Maybe Matchbox sometimes decides to do stuff and sometimes just don't want to do it. I don't know. Coming to the passenger side, again the nice paint job continues. Looks really good. This is how the bed looks and how it looks from the top. At the bottom, it's a chrome base. No mirrors on either side. I was hoping to get some nice mirrors, but since it's a moving part, you got this ramp. It's called a side ramp truck. That's very different. That we don't even see this on trucks these days. But yeah, overall I like this truck. It looks really good. It looks really nice. It has that, classic old truck vibe on it. It's a really nice truck. So yeah, I like it. Let me know what you guys think about it. And yeah, I missed the interior. The interior is done in black. Obviously it's a single cab truck, so you got two seats and the quarter glass is there, and windows have an opening here so you can see inside if you like to. Well, it's a nice casting. I really like it. Let me know what you think about it. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.